All right, let's talk about a huge shift that's happening in national defense right now. And no, it's not about bigger tanks or faster jets. It's about software, it's about speed, and it's all centered on a concept that's becoming absolutely critical: sovereign AI.
So let's just jump right in. What on earth is sovereign AI? And why is everyone suddenly talking about it like it's the key to national security? Well, to really get the answer, you first have to understand the problem it's trying to solve.
You see, for decades, defense tech has moved at a snail's pace. I mean, we are talking about these massive hardware-first projects that can take years, sometimes decades, just to get off the ground. But the threats we're all facing today, they're digital, they're fast, they're operating at hyperscale. You just can't fight a threat that moves at the speed of the cloud with a procurement cycle from the Cold War. That mismatch, that's the vulnerability.
So what if you could build a defense company from scratch that was designed to operate at the speed of software? Well, it looks like a brand new player has just entered the arena, one built specifically for this modern digital battlefield.
Meet Defence Holdings PLC, and this is a really big deal. They're the UK's very first publicly listed software-led AI defense company. By trading on the London Stock Exchange, and check out that ticker, ALRT, they're sending a clear signal. This is a whole new way to build and scale defense tech, and their entire mission is about delivering these sovereign digital capabilities.
And this isn't just a fancy mission statement on a website. At the recent DSEI Global Defense Expo, they pulled back the curtain and revealed they're already building their very first product for a huge client, the UK Ministry of Defence. So this isn't some far-off plan, this is happening right now.
Which brings us right back to our big idea: sovereign AI. So what does it actually mean? In the simplest terms, it means having AI systems that are completely under your own nation's control. The keywords there are authority and independence. It means your most critical defense AI doesn't rely on foreign tech, and your most sensitive data stays safe right where it belongs. Okay, so what does this stuff actually do? We're talking about things that are absolutely mission critical, like securely fusing intelligence from dozens of different sources, creating a single, clear picture of a conflict across land, sea, air, and cyberspace, and of course, protecting things we all rely on, like our power grids and communication networks.
Now, building this kind of tech, especially at this kind of speed, is a massive undertaking, and Defense Holdings knows they can't do it alone. Their whole strategy, their secret sauce, is built on a really clever and powerful strategic partnership.
Okay, let's break it down. They've put together this platform called Defense Technologies. Their main partner is a UK deep tech specialist called Whitespace Global. But, and this is the really interesting part, there's another, unnamed partner involved, and this one changes the entire scale of the game. So of course, the big question is, who is this secret powerhouse? Now, they can't name them just yet, but they gave a huge clue. They said the partner is one of the world's Magnificent Seven tech giants.
And just in case you're not familiar with that term, the Magnificent Seven are the absolute titans of technology. You know who I'm talking about. These are the companies that basically own the global cloud and have built the AI infrastructure that runs the modern world. Having one of them in your corner, that's a game changer.
So why is that such a game changer? Because it means they don't have to build from the ground up. They get to embed their sovereign AI right on top of world-class hyperscale infrastructure, the kind that governments around the world already use and trust. Right from day one, this gives them instant credibility and the power to operate at the same scale as the traditional defense giants.
The company's CTO, Andrew McCartney, really nails it with this quote. He says their first product proves they can move faster than that old, slow defense cycle. Going from just an idea to a real working capability in record time, that sets a totally new benchmark.
And it's not just about moving fast. The company's chairman, James Norwood, adds this great strategic view. He points out that it's about closing the gap between saying you're going to do something and actually doing it, delivering real tools that are trusted, strong, and ready to be used anywhere in the world.
So, when you put all of these pieces together, you realize the big story here isn't just about one new piece of AI. It's about a fundamentally new way of creating defense technology. It's software first, it's driven by partnerships, and it's built for the incredible speed of the digital age.
And that leaves us with one last, really critical question. As every nation is racing to secure its digital borders, could this kind of agile, software-first approach be the new blueprint for how the UK and its allies build their defense capabilities from now on? Only time will tell, but it's pretty clear a new standard has just been set.